What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're basically going to be, we're about to pull up to my builder's shop, and we're about to take the wrap off. That is the task for today, but we're going to get it done. We got to get it done. It's been time to change the wrap, but let's get to it. Here goes his build right here, actually. So this is my builder's truck. So he sits higher than me. So yeah. So basically got her back looking like she did stock, but as you can see, it did leave, it's not burnt into it, but it's gotta get cut and buffed. You can still see the images or whatnot, but my guy at Next Level Detailing is going to definitely get us locked in. And then Atomic Wraps is the people, is the company that's going to basically, one second, but yeah, they're basically the people that's going to get us right. But let's take a good look at this lift though. So we're going to wire in our subs. We have 10 DS18 shallows that we'll be installing with my buddy Sean. And then we're going to basically be installing some of Southern Lighting's 9 LED diode rock lights. They're pretty bright. So they're going to be going inside of our, actually I'm not even going to tell you where we're going to put it. You're gonna have to find out and see. But we also have train horns, the horns itself that we have to, and the module. We're going to basically be sanding these down and then getting these painted. I'll probably end up painting them. I just don't know yet. We'll find out. But I am going to prep them. But yeah, so far we're going to be doing that. The sub box that we're building for the bed itself is going to be later on after Idaho Truck Invasion. Basically not going to have enough time, so yeah, let's get to the shop. Alright, so we're doing the DS18 10 shallows going in this box, which is gonna go like right up in there. We already got the amp ran. We're gonna clean that wire up, and then yeah, next thing you know, you'll see this. But look at your boy.
Too short, the thing.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's some crazy camera.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so DS18 apparently don't have screws that come in the kit, but about to hop in my boys. Get it. About to hop in my boys. Focus. Okay. About to hop in my boys' whip. About to pull off and go to the hardware store real quick. See you in a minute. So what we doing right now, bro? What you doing to this box?
Yep. Getting it ready for the teacups. We can throw me inside the truck. so that he can boost my tranquila.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Good. Alright, so we up here jamming. We got the speakers hooked up.